Dr. Watzke, talk to us a little bit about the decompression machine. There's a lots of hocus pocus about it. Some people swear by it. Some people say, well, it's not what it's cracked up to be. Obviously, it has to do with, getting rid of back pain and, most things which have to do with spinal injuries. Tell us about that machine and its use.
We use that for herniated discs, and what it does is it pulls, causes traction on a disc. If the disc is bulging out, it kind of, when you put traction on it, it pulls the disc back in. Often the disc will be pinching a nerve. If the disc is pulled in, the nerve won't be pinched, and that releases pain down the arm or leg. So it's a treatment. You need about 15 to 20 of those, and we use that in conjunction with other different types of treatments, such as electrical stimulation, ultrasound. We do injections, and so we usually don't do it as a standalone treatment, but it does take the pressure of the disc off the nerve without surgery.
Well, you did mention in another interview, in another video, about the necessity of working many different methods in synergy together. It's like in war, you don't just attack with airplanes, no matter how many you have and how good they are. You don't only use ships, you don't only use foot troops, you don't only use whatever it is, tanks and sharpshooters and stuff like that. You've got to be using, all weapons, in this case all tools, and make them work together, each one having its own function. So good. Well, let me ask you, basically this decompression machine, so it pushes, it tears the bones apart a little bit, and whatever that does, would you say that for some people, one of those inversion machines, where you kind of like hang upside down, which apparently Hippocrates did. He hung his patients from the ankles, and does that have a slightly similar effect? And would you suggest something like that for patient as a home use?
Yes, we have patients using that, and we'll write prescriptions for those for home use. That's a similar type of principle where it decompresses the disc. It pulls the disc off the pinched nerve. The disc is pinching a nerve. It pulls it off that pinched nerve. And so it helps the patient's pain improve.
I see. So it does have a similar effect, and you do use them or tell patients to go and get one like that after they have left your treatment, and they're there as a home maintenance type of thing.
Yes.
Well, wonderful. All right. Good. Thanks a lot.
Welcome.